If you find yourself banned from Skype, you can appeal the decision by following a few straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant details about your account, including your Skype username, the date of the ban, and any messages you received regarding the ban. This information will be crucial for your appeal. Step 2. Visit the Skype support page. Go to the official Skype support website. Look for the section related to account issues or bans. Familiarize yourself with the guidelines and policies to understand the reasons for bans. Step 3. Submit an appeal. Locate the option to submit an appeal. This may involve filling out a form or sending an email. Clearly explain your situation, provide the gathered information, and express your desire to have the ban reviewed. Step 4. Be patient. After submitting your appeal, wait for a response from Skype. This process may take some time, so be patient and avoid submitting multiple appeals, as this could complicate your case. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, consider following up on your appeal. Use the contact methods provided on the support page to inquire about the status of your case. In conclusion, appealing a ban on Skype requires careful preparation and patience. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of having your account reinstated.